In the bustling world of productivity and project management tools, ClickUp has carved out a significant niche. You see it everywhere, from startups streamlining their early operations to established businesses grappling with complex projects. But beyond the flashy features and vibrant interface, what truly drives ClickUp? What is its core mission, and how does that mission resonate with the financial well-being and strategic goals of a business? From a finance management expert's perspective, the mission of any tool a business adopts is critical. It's not just about what the tool does, but what problem it aims to solve for its users, and how that solution ultimately contributes to the bottom line. So, let's peel back the layers and examine the mission of ClickUp. While ClickUp might express its mission in various ways across its marketing materials, the consistent underlying theme is clear: to make the world more productive by eliminating the need for multiple productivity apps. This isn't just a catchy slogan. It's a strategic declaration with profound financial implications for any organization. Let's break this down from a financial lens. 1. The cost of tool sprawl, a financial burden. Before ClickUp or similar all-in-one platforms, businesses often found themselves juggling a disparate collection of tools. Think Trello for task management, Asana for project tracking, Slack for communication, Google Docs for collaboration, Jira for development, and a host of other specialized software. Each of these tools comes with its own subscription cost, learning curve, and integration challenges. From a finance perspective, this tool sprawl is a significant financial burden. It translates to direct subscription costs. Paying for multiple licenses across various platforms quickly adds up, consuming a noticeable chunk of the operational budget. Hidden costs of integration. When tools don't communicate seamlessly, valuable employee time is wasted on manual data transfer, double entry, and trying to reconcile information across systems. This time is a direct cost to the business. Reduced productivity and opportunity cost. The friction caused by switching between applications, searching for information in different silos, and struggling with inconsistent data leads to decreased productivity. This isn't just inefficient. It's an opportunity cost time that could have been spent on revenue-generating activities or strategic planning. Training expenses. Each new tool requires training for employees, further adding to the cost. ClickUp's mission directly addresses this by aiming to consolidate these functionalities into a single platform. The financial benefit: reduced software expenditure, improved operational efficiency, and ultimately a healthier balance sheet. 2. Centralized information, the foundation of financial visibility. Another critical aspect of ClickUp's mission is to provide a centralized hub for all work. This isn't just about convenience. It's fundamental to sound financial management. When information is scattered across various tools, it becomes incredibly difficult to gain a holistic view of project progress, resource allocation, and budget adherence. Finance professionals rely on accurate and timely data to make informed decisions. If project managers are tracking costs in one system, task progress in another, and team availability in a third, reconciling this information for financial reporting becomes a nightmare. ClickUp's mission to centralize all work means that tasks, projects, documents, communication, and even time tracking can reside in one place. This centralization provides improved budget tracking. With tasks and projects organized, it's easier to link them to specific budget lines and track actual expenditure against planned budgets. Accurate resource allocation. Understanding team availability and capacity from a single platform allows for more efficient allocation of human resources, preventing overcommitment and underutilization, both of which have financial implications. Enhanced reporting and forecasting. A single source of truth simplifies reporting on project profitability, operational costs, and resource utilization. This in turn leads to more accurate financial forecasts and better strategic planning. Reduced financial risk. By having a clearer view of all ongoing activities, potential project overruns or resource misalignments can be identified and addressed proactively, mitigating financial risks. 3. Customization and adaptability. Investing in scalability. ClickUp's emphasis on flexibility and customization aligns perfectly with the financial need for scalable solutions. A business's needs evolve, and a rigid software solution quickly becomes a financial liability as it cannot adapt to changing requirements.